ISO/IEC 27701 Privacy Information Management System. Strengthen privacy, protect information, build trust. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's digital economy, personal information has become one of the most valuable and sensitive assets for organizations. Every day, organizations collect, process, store, transfer, and share enormous amounts of personal information. This may include customer names, contact details, identification information, financial information, employee records, healthcare information, online identifiers, authentication data, and many other categories of personal information. But with increasing data usage comes increasing responsibility. Customers, employees, business partners, regulators, and other stakeholders expect organizations to handle personal information responsibly, securely, and transparently. So the important question is, how can organization establish a systematic approach to managing privacy risks and protecting personal information? One important international framework that can help organizations achieve this is ISO/IEC 27701 Privacy Information Management System, commonly known as PIMS. In this video, we will explain what ISO/IEC 27701 is, what a Privacy Information Management System means, what should implement ISO/IEC 27701, the relationship between ISO/IEC 27701 and ISO/IEC 27001, the benefits of ISO/IEC 27701, important implementation steps, privacy risk management, documentation and processes, training requirements, certification readiness, and how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can support organizations throughout their ISO/IEC 27701 journey. So let us begin. Chapter 1. What is ISO/IEC 27701? ISO/IEC 27701 is an international standard designed to help organizations establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve a privacy information management system, or PIMS. The standard provides a systematic framework for managing privacy-related information and responsibilities. In simple terms, ISO/IEC 27701 helps an organization answer important questions such as what personal information are we collecting, why are we collecting it, how are we processing it, who has assessed it, where is it stored, who are we sharing it with, what privacy risks exist, what controls are required, how do we respond to privacy incidents, and how do we continuously improve our privacy management. Privacy should not simply be treated as an IT issue. It is an organizational responsibility. For example, consider a company providing SaaS services. The company may collect customer names, email addresses, user account information, payment related information, and usage data. Different departments may handle this information. Sales may collect customer information, human resources may process employee information, IT may store and protect information, customer support may assess user records, finance may process billing information, marketing may use customer contact information, and third-party service providers may process certain information on behalf of the organization. Therefore, privacy management requires coordination across the entire organization. This is where a structured PIMS becomes valuable. Now, Chapter 2. What is a Privacy Information Management System? Let's understand the term Privacy Information Management System. A PIMS is a structured management system that enables an organization to manage privacy-related risks, responsibilities, processes, and controls. The objective is not simply to create more documents. The objective is to establish effective and repeatable privacy management processes. A mature PIMS can help an organization understand its privacy obligations and integrate privacy considerations into its business processes. For example, when launching a new software application, privacy considerations should ideally be evaluated before the application goes live. When introducing a new customer database, privacy risks should be considered. When outsourcing data processing activities, privacy responsibilities should be clearly defined. When collecting information through a website, the organization should understand that what information is collected and why. And when returning personal information, the organization should have appropriate retention requirements and processes. And when personal information is no longer required, appropriate disposal or deletion processes should be considered. Therefore, privacy management should become part of the organization's normal business activities. Now, Chapter 3, ISO oblique IEC 27701 and ISO oblique IEC 27001. One of the most important questions organizations ask is, what is the relationship between ISO oblique IEC 27701 and ISO oblique IEC 27001? ISO oblique IEC 27001 focuses primarily on establishing an information security management system or ISMS. Information security is concerned with protecting information from risks such as unauthorized access, loss, alteration, disclosure, and disruption. ISO oblique IEC 27701 extends this management system approach into the area of privacy information management. In practical terms, ISO oblique IEC 27701 works closely with an organization's information security and privacy management practices. This is particularly useful for organizations that already have an ISO oblique IEC 27001 based information security management system. Instead of treating privacy and information security as completely separate activities, organizations can integrate privacy management into their existing management system framework. For example, ISO oblique IEC 27001 may help an organization establish information security controls. ISO oblique IEC 27701 can help address privacy specific requirements and responsibilities associated with personal information. This integrated approach can provide a stronger governance structure. However, organizations should carefully understand the applicable edition of the standards and the current certification requirements before planning certification. Now, Chapter 4. Who should implement ISO oblique IEC 27701? ISO oblique IEC 27701 can be relevant to a wide range of organizations. For example, technology companies, software companies, SaaS providers, IT and ITES organizations, cloud service providers, financial institutions, insurance companies, healthcare organizations, hospitals and healthcare technology providers, e-commerce companies, telecommunication organizations, human resource service providers, business process outsourcing companies, data analytics organizations, digital marketing companies, educational technology companies, and organizations that act as data controllers or data processors. The need for privacy management is particularly important where an organization regularly processes personal information. For example, imagine an international SaaS company. Its customers may be located in several countries. The company may have employees in multiple jurisdictions. It may use cloud infrastructure from third-party providers. It may outsource certain processing activities, and it may transfer information between different systems and service providers. Managing privacy in such an environment can become complex. A structured PIMS can provide a systematic approach to identifying responsibilities, risks, processes, and controls. Now, Chapter 5. Key benefits of ISO oblique IEC 27701. Now, let us discuss some important benefits of implementing ISO oblique IEC 27701. Benefit number 1. Strengthening privacy management. ISO oblique IEC 27701 helps organizations establish a structured approach to privacy management. Instead of relying on informal practices, privacy responsibilities and processes can be formally defined. Benefit number 2. Better privacy risk management. Organizations can identify privacy-related risks and determine appropriate measures to address them. This can help management make more informed decisions. Benefit number 3. Improved customer confidence. Customers increasingly want to know how organizations handle their personal information. A structured privacy management system can demonstrate that privacy is being managed systematically. Benefit number 4. Improved internal accountability. Privacy responsibilities can be assigned to appropriate functions and personnel. Employees can understand what they are expected to do when handling personal information. Benefit number 5. Better supplies and third-party management. Many organizations share personal information with external service providers. A PIMS can help organizations establish appropriate processes for managing privacy-related responsibilities associated with third parties. Benefit number 6, integration with information security. Organizations can integrate privacy management with their existing information security management activities. Benefit number 7, support for regulatory and contractual requirements. ISO/IEC 27701 can support organizations in structuring their privacy management processes in relation to applicable legal, regulatory, and contractual requirements. However, it is important to understand that certification to ISO/IEC 27701 does not automatically mean that an organization is legally compliant with every privacy law. Applicable legal and regulatory requirements must still be separately identified, interpreted, and addressed. Now, Chapter 6, Privacy Risk Assessment. Privacy risk assessment is another important component of an effective privacy management system. Organizations should understand the privacy risk associated with their processing activities. For example, what personal information is being processed, why is it being processed, how sensitive is the information, who can access it, where is it stored, how long is it retained, and is it shared with third parties, is it transferred across jurisdictions, what could happen if the information is improperly disclosed, what could happen if the information is lost, what could happen if the incorrect information is processed, and what impact could a privacy incident have on individuals and the organization. These questions can help organizations understand privacy risks from a more structured perspective. Based on the results of the assessment, appropriate controls and actions can be planned. Privacy risk management should not be treated as a one-time activity. Organizations should periodically review their processing activities, change in technology, new suppliers, new products, new services, and emerging privacy risks. Chapter 7, Important PIMS Processes. A successful PIMS requires practical processes. Depending on the organization's activities, these may include processes related to personal information identification, data inventories and processing records, privacy responsibilities, privacy policies, data subject or individual related requests where applicable, information retention, data relation, third party privacy management, privacy incident management, privacy impact assessment where appropriate, consent and preference management where applicable, privacy by design principles, access management, information security controls, employee awareness, supplier management, monitoring and measurement, internal audit, management review, and control improvement. The exact processes required will depend on the organization's business model, legal requirement, environment, processing activities, and applicable requirements. The important point is that privacy management should be integrated into actual business operations. A beautifully written privacy policy is not enough. The organization must be able to demonstrate that its processes are implemented and maintained. Now, Chapter 8, Documentation and Implementation. Now, let us discuss implementation. A typical ISO/IEC 27701 implementation journey may begin with understanding the organization's current privacy management arrangements. The first step is generally a gap assessment. The organization evaluates what are we today, what privacy processes already exist, what controls are already implemented, what gaps exist, what documentation need to be developed, what responsibilities need to be assigned, what improvements are required. The next stage is planning. The organization establishes the scope of the PIMS and identifies relevant privacy related requirements. Policies, procedures, records, and operational processes are then developed or improved. Employees receive awareness and role specific training. Privacy risks are assessed. Controls are implemented. The system is monitored. Internal audits are conducted. Management reviews the performance of the system, and corrective actions and improvements are implemented. This creates a continuous improvement cycle. Chapter 9, Training and Awareness. One of the most important elements of successful privacy management is people. Even the best technology cannot compensate for employees who do not understand their privacy responsibilities. Organizations should therefore establish appropriate awareness and training programs. Training may cover privacy fundamentals, personal information handling, organizational privacy policies, privacy responsibilities, information security awareness, incident reporting, data handling requirements, third-party responsibilities, privacy risks, and applicable organizational procedures. For professionals who are responsible for implementing or auditing a PIMS, more advanced training may be appropriate. This can include ISO/IEC 27701 awareness training, ISO/IEC 27701 internal auditor training, ISO/IEC 27701 lead auditor training, ISO/IEC 27701 implementation training, and specialized privacy management programs. Now chapter 10, certification readiness. Once the PIMS has been implemented, the organization needs to determine whether it is ready for certification assessment. Certification readiness should not be based simply on documentation. The organization should be able to demonstrate effective implementation. This means auditors may look for objective evidence such as implemented policies, operational records, risk assessment results, training records, internal audit results, management review outputs, corrective action records, monitoring results, supplier related evidence, privacy related operational records, and other relevant evidence demonstrating that the management system is functioning as intended. This is why proper implementation support is important. The goal should not simply be get the certificate, the goal should be build an effective and sustainable privacy management system. Certification should be the outcome of an effective management system, not the only objective. Chapter 11, how URGS can support your organization. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we support organizations throughout their ISO/IEC 27701 journey. Our services include PIMS consultancy and gap assessment. We help organizations understand their current status and identify areas requiring improvement. ISO/IEC 27701 implementation support. We support organizations in developing and implementing their privacy management framework. Privacy risk assessment and management. We support the identification and management of privacy related risks. PIMS documentation and process development. We assist policies, procedures, processes, and supporting documentation. Internal auditor training. We provide training to personnel responsible for conducting internal audits. Awareness and lead audit training. We support organizations in developing competent privacy professionals. Implementation and compliance guidance. We help organizations understand how to translate requirements into practical organizational processes. And finally, certification readiness and certification support. We help organizations prepare for the certification assessment process. Our approach focuses on practical implementation, organizational requirements, and control improvement. Now chapter 12, why choose URGS? Organizations today need more than a certificate. They need physical systems that support business objectives, customer confidence, risk management, and responsible information handling. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides consultancy, implementation, training, and certification support services for organizations seeking to strengthen their privacy and information management practices. Whether you are a technology organization, SaaS company, ITES provider, financial institution, healthcare organization, data processor, data controller, or another organization handling personal information, our team can support you in developing a structured approach to privacy management. We can help you move from privacy requirements to privacy processes, from privacy risks to risk management, and from documentation to effective implementation. Now at last, closing. So, if your organization is looking to strengthen its privacy information management system, improving privacy governance, manage privacy risks, and prepare for ISO/IEC 27701 certification, now is the right time to start. Remember, strong privacy management builds customer confidence. Effective information protection reduces risks. And responsible data handling builds long-term trust. For ISO/IEC 27701 PIMS consultancy, implementation, training, and certification support, connect with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 5945 8455. Consultancy, implementation, training, certification support. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your professional network, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on ISO standards, certification, auditing, engineering, inspection, quality, compliance, and professional training. Thank you for watching. This is URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Strengthen privacy, protect information, build trust. See you in the next video.